So another way to go about this problem is we're told that if we were to seat these members with 5 members at each table, then we'll have 3 members at one table. So what this really just means is that that quantity, or the total number of members, is a sum multiple of 5 with a remainder of 3. And since we're given that the total number falls between 10 and 40, we can look for numbers that satisfy this condition. So we just look for multiples of 5 and then add 3 to it. So 8 would be the first one. And of course, that's lower than 10, so we need to go to the next higher value, which is 13. So that's the first that satisfies this condition. So next would be 18. You're simply just adding 5, 23, 28, 33, and 38. So just these. And because then we go beyond 40. Now the other condition is that if we were to seat the same number of people with 4 members at each table, which means, again, based on remainder algorithm, we'll have only one table with 3. So that's kind of the remainder. So all we have to do is to find which of these values would give us a remainder of 3 when divided by 4. So for example, that gives you a remainder of 1. This gives you a remainder of 2. That one gives us a remainder of 3. So that satisfies this condition. That is, if we have 23 people, we can seat them 4 at a table. We'll need 5 such tables, and then one table will have 3. So 23 works. 28, remainder 0, and then this is remainder of 1, and then that's remainder 2. So only 23 works, which means that the total number of members at the club is 23. Now we can answer the question, which is if we sit 6 members at each table except 1, and so that is, if I were to divide this by 6, 6 times 3 is 18, remainder of 5. So we'll have 6 people sitting in 3 tables and a remainder of 5. So that table that has fewer than 6 members has 6 people sitting on it. So the answer is 5, choice E.